How much should a solar installation cost? Let's talk about a solar argument I see online every day.
Some people dey very somehow. Pay 20 to 30% of material cost to labour. You say no, e too much.
So this is the quote, abi?
Yes, sir.
Materials 10 million, workmanship 1.5 million.
My name is Aida Dumali from Aplus Energy. And welcome back to another episode of the Solar Arguments, but you decide. How much will a solar installation cost? Some installers argue it should be 10%, some say 20%, some even argue for as much as 30% of the whole system cost. I think installation shouldn't be forced into a fixed percentage because installation depends on different factors. Factors like system size, roof type, cable length, manpower, even location, all of these matters. You are not just paying for labor, you are paying for expertise, responsibility, and accountability, and even professionalism. So I think solar installation is not a one size fits all percentage thing. Remember, this is just a solar argument, but you decide. How much would you pay for a solar installation?